Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create Apple ID. This iPhone has been used to create too many new Apple IDs. Please contact Apple support to request another Apple ID to use with this iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to create new Apple ID on your iPhone but you are facing this pop-up and you are unable to create Apple ID, here I will show you how can you create new Apple ID on your iPhone if you're also facing this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open your browser, and after this you have to tap on a three lines button, and then you have to simply tap on new incognito tab. So guys, tap on this, and from here search for appleid.apple.com. Here you can see this. Simply tap on this and wait here for some seconds again. And from here you have to simply tap on this small arrow button, and now you have to simply tap on create your Apple account. So guys, tap on this, and from here you have to simply insert the details or information from here and try to create Apple ID using this website. So guys, if you are still unable to create Apple ID using this website, then you have to simply open your personal computer or Mac, and then you have to simply create your Apple ID on that Mac or new computer. So guys, once you create new Apple ID on that device, you have to simply sign in your new Apple ID in your iPhone, and then it will be easily signed in on your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue, and then you can create Apple ID on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.